Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the dairy compartment door on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to replace the dairy compartment door, we simply need to open up your fresh food door completely, remove any items that are in that area. If the door is still intact, we simply need to depress one side of it, pull it away and discard it. Ensure that both of the hinge buttons are intact and not damaged. We're simply going to center the hole in that door over one of the buttons. Slightly depress the opposite side until it fits over the corresponding hinge button. Verify that it opens and closes easily. For cleaning purposes, you would simply reverse that procedure. Remove the old one, wash it in warm soapy water, rinse it, allow it to dry, and then reinstall it. And your repair is complete.